Good morning. This is day 2 of storm alert weather days. We had those storms yesterday and we're going to have another batch of storms today. Thankfully for getting the kids to school this morning, for some of you, those first day of school pictures, if you're doing it outside your home, outside of the school, there's really not much as far as the weather to worry about. We have a couple of sporadic showers here and there. That one branch that has been moving through our northern Tennessee communities has pretty much broken up. So what we're seeing is a few spots, Monroe County, McMinn County, Polk County, and even down to that corner of Murray and Gordon counties. That's about it, just a little bit of those spotty shower activities. For a lot of you though, it's going to be partly cloudy heading into school this morning, a few spots of some fog, but again, overall pretty quiet. That's going to change though for after school. So here's your school day forecast of what we're looking at. Mostly quiet conditions at 7 a.m., 70 degrees. Temperatures are really pretty comfortable right now across our area, pretty much ranging from 68 to 72, so all very close to each other. At 3 p.m. though, we're going to have a potential problem with strong storms, maybe even some severe storms ongoing. 89 for that temperature at that point, highs across our area from about 83 to 91. So speaking of those strong to severe storms, here's the severe outlook for this afternoon. This is going to range from 1 to 5 p.m. for our local area. And you can see this large swath of that orange color. That's that level 3 enhanced risk, meaning numerous storms are going to be possible. Numerous severe storms will be possible. So we're all colored in that orange color and all modes of severe weather on the table. Now, the biggest primary threat will be damaging wind gusts. That's your power outages, those tree branches or whole trees that are down. But we could also see some quarter-size hail and unfortunately even a low-end risk for an isolated tornado. So when we look at the individual threat maps, here's your wind risk map. We're all colored in this red, 30% probability of damaging wind gusts within 25 miles of your location. The hail risk, we have that 5% to the west, most of the area under that 15% probability. And then that tornado risk where we're seeing that brown color, that's the 5% chance. That's mainly for our northern communities heading off to the northeast, but it really drops down all the way to kind of the Hickson area, Middle Valley, Soddy Daisy, and on upwards when we talk about that 5% tornado risk. So overall during the morning time, again, it's really going to be pretty quiet. Wind shifting from the south to the southwest. It's going to start to get breezy as we head into the afternoon, but not much happening during the morning time. That's going to allow that kind of warm up as far as our temperatures go. Let me take you to this afternoon because between about 1 and 2 p.m., that's really what we're eyeing for those initial storms to move into our western communities. That's going to continue to push eastward. Here's about 3 o'clock. Anytime you see that kind of pink to purple color, that's a good indicator not just of torrential rainfall, but also those stronger storms with that hail potential. And again, that leading edge, especially having that damaging wind gust potential. Here's about 4 o'clock, seeing that kind of that diagonal line pushing through. We're going to continue to have that action until about 5 p.m. So I think the severe risk is going to end around about 5 o'clock. There will still be some rain and storms after that, but again, don't have to worry about the severe risk, more just regular rain and thunderstorms. That is even going to end by about 8 to 9 p.m. and then conditions quiet down during the overnight hours. So we've been over the severe risk. The other factor for today is we could see a few spots of some localized flooding. It depends on some of those repeated storms with that heaviest rainfall, but a few locations that pick up over an inch, those will be the locations to be watching out for that localized flooding. And of course, just for your afternoon commute, be aware of standing water on roads and potential for hydroplaning. High temperatures today ranging from about 83 to 91, topping out at 89 in Chattanooga. Tonight, a little bit milder in the 60s. And then for tomorrow, we have low to mid 70s, low to mid 80s, even 79 degrees though in Altamont for tomorrow. Partly sunny skies and just a couple of isolated showers. So today is certainly the day to be weather aware. And really all week long, we have percentages on there. We're going to have some active weather to come this week as far as scattered showers and storms go, but we want you to get through your Monday first. Not too many problems for the morning commute, but again, after school picking up the kids, that's when we're going to have to watch out for those storms.
Yeah, and it looks like there's also going to be some slick roadways as we saw, yesterday we had a couple of accidents because of those roadways. So definitely be careful when you're out driving, picking up those kids.
Yes, indeed. All right. Thank you, Allison.